Hi guys, it's Tech Basics. Today I'm gonna guide you on how you guys too can download Belk easily. Downloading Belk on your mobile phone is quite easy. First, make sure that your device is connected to stable internet. Once it is, let's start. Step 1. Open Google Play Store. Tap on the Google Play Store icon on your Android device to open it. Step 2. Search for Belk. In the search bar at the top, type Belk and press enter or search. Step 3. Select Belk app. From the search result, tap on the Belk app where the Belk is written with the yellow background. Step 4. Install. Tap on the install button to download and install the app on your device. Belk is a department store chain that offers a wide range of products, including clothing, shoes, accessories, beauty products, home goods, and more. Step 5. Open. Once the installation is complete, tap on the open button to launch the Belk app, and here you go, you have downloaded Belk app successfully. Now you too can shop clothes, shoes, beauty product, home goods, and more. If this video was helpful, go ahead and give us thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe the channel for future contents.